Dear students, today we want to discuss table, its caption, and a list of tables. You will draw a table, you will open MS Word, insert table, then table. There are 4 ways to insert tables: insert table, draw table, Excel spreadsheet, and quick table. We'll see in practical that how can we draw such tables. After drawing the table, there is a caption of table. You will go to references, then you will change label to table and insert caption. Third step is list of tables. Open MS Word, then go to references, then insert figures. But don't be confused. Here change caption label into table. So there are different types of tables, and you will select one, and then you will start its complete list of tables. So I show you how can we draw such tables. For example, come here. For example, here I want to draw a table. Come here. You can see a Word file is open here, and I will go to references. Then, but first of all, let me draw a table. Suppose here I want to draw a table. Insert table, just click here. Okay, here you will give its name, suppose serial number. Here is name, here is the class, whatever your need is. Then you will just make them bold. Here come to references, then insert caption. Here is table 1, here is demographics of students. Remember, here table must be written in label. So this is its caption. Now move forward. Suppose here I want another table. Again come to insert, come here. You can use Excel spreadsheet. Suppose draw table, click here. You can draw a table here. Any type of table you can draw, okay? Then come here. You will just go to references, insert caption. Here is table 2. Suppose this is anything, text analysis. You will click here. This caption would be here. For example, these are just examples. Suppose here on this page 19, you want to insert another type of table, that is Excel spreadsheet. Look at this is Excel spreadsheet is here. You will give here caption. Again references, insert caption table 3, suppose spreadsheet. You will click here. Here you will write names. Okay, you will go to insert, and Excel spreadsheet would be here. You will write here serial number, then you will mention pretest whatsoever. This is your choice. Okay, so this is your table. And if you want to draw another table, again you will come here and you will use quick table. Suppose you want to draw some calendar type of information. Okay, here you want to give its caption. Table 4, suppose you want to mention a calendar. Okay, now save your file and come back to this portion. Here is, or you can also go here, insert page break. So you have come on the next page. This is list of tables. Okay, and this is heading 1, and you have brought it in the middle. Now below it, again come to references. Here is insert table of figures, but look at here, table must be written. Okay, and you have selected this one. Okay, here you will find table 1, table 2, table 3, and table 4. Okay, so you are able to generate table and its caption, as well as its list of tables. Okay, so thank you so much.